In this video, I want to show you a simple AI tool that you can start using alongside a simple proven strategy to start making money as an affiliate today, just like I did today, yesterday, the last 30 days over the last month. This tool is inside of the Results with Kevin AI training environment. It is called the Rapid AI Bonus Builder X100 or the Rapid Affiliate Bonus Page Creator. And all you have to do inside of this AI tool is enter the sales page URL or copy and paste the text from the sales page, and it'll create a fully optimized bonus page with everything included. To include, if you scroll down here to the bottom, Kevin, and that's Kevin Fahey, who has built this bot for us, has created all of these bonuses and given us a license to use these bonuses as our own. You can see that they come in Word, PDF, and as Google Docs. So we can edit these as needed to improve upon what Kevin has given us as a foundation. And speaking of foundations, this is all built on the foundation of my affiliating 9-step roadmap to build a profitable online business. It is all about using my proven top strategy to get traffic to an offer and put people on an email list, with step 5 of the 9-step roadmap to be checking off building a bonus to 10x your money. So we go back and we're looking at the Warrior Plus marketplace. Again, today, yesterday, the last 30 days, and last month is what we're trying to accomplish here, earning affiliate commissions or making money as an affiliate with a simple AI tool that all we have to do is enter the sales page of the product that we want to promote. And of course, following the simple, proven 9-step roadmap and the proven top strategy of building a bonus to 10x your money to profit and scale your online business. So to do that, we're going to go to Warrior Plus, and there is a product that's going to launch here in the next couple of days as I make this video. It is called the 5-Minute Fortune. What we need to do is view the sales page. So we go to the sales page because all we want to do is we want to come up here and we want to grab the URL and we want to copy this URL. Then we want to go back to the AI Rapid Bonus Builder. And here you can see that I've already done this. And it says, please enter the sales page URL or copy and paste the text from the sales page. I've just pasted in the URL that I just copied from the sales page of the product that we're going to promote. The bot is going to start doing what the bot does. It's going to set up a bonus page and build bonuses for us to make more money as affiliates. Excellent. I've analyzed the 5-Minute Fortune sales page. It's an exciting product that teaches how to create and monetize simple no-code AI bots. And to complement what this product does, I've selected 4 high-value bonuses from our knowledge base or from the bonus vault that we have down here of all the done-for-you bonuses. So the bot is aware of the bonuses that Kevin has created for us, and here are the 4 bonuses that are recommended. Do these bonuses work for you? And one final question here. Before I build the page, let's talk about the design. What style would you like? And it gives us options to include matching the sales page design, which is the one that I like and the one I chose. But before I actually confirm that I want to use all of these options, I'm going to tell the bonus builder, the AI bot, yes, these bonuses work, but I would like you to add these elements to them when you name them and build the bonus page. I want you to add a layer here. I want you to use the Stack Psychology Blueprint and the direct response secrets behind irresistible bonus offers before they were funneled with automations or AI from these legends of copywriting. Now, where did I get that information? There's a link in the description. It'll take you over to this. This is my bonus page. And read and watch this video here, which is a full deep dive of the AI bonus builder from Kevin Fahey. But understand what I'm doing here is I am inside of the prompt PsyOps, the 5-minute bonus stack shortcut. I am giving you different layers to add. And one of those layers is layer 2, which is the Stack Psychology Blueprint. It is a tight field tested playbook that turns bonus lists into decision frameworks using direct response thinking from the legends of copywriting like Schwartz, Halbert, and Hopkins, and modern bonus stacking from Russell Brunson, the guy that created ClickFunnels. This creates a stack flow that goes speed, shortcut, status, so buyers feel momentum, ease, and then pride and click. Now, to get this bonus, just scroll down here and click the buy button, and be sure to pick up the front end and the OTO, which is the Rapid Bonus Builder AI product that I'm showing you right here, that includes the vault of all these done for you bonuses. So at that point, what I've done is I've pasted in the layer 2 psychology blueprint information from the bonus. And what it looks like is this. It's a Google Doc where I've created all of this information. Also have included the layer 1 prompt your PLR back to life. It's an AI reactivation framework for any PLR that you may have, or the bonuses that are included in the vault. But specifically the layer 2 stack psychology blueprint, all I'm doing is selecting this right here and copying that information, taking it back to the bot. And as you can see right here, before I confirm, because it's all it's asking me to confirm that it wants to use these 4 bonuses, and then it's to confirming, or then I am confirming which option or the design that I would like for the sales page or for the bonus page, and I'm pasting that in here, and then it's going to come back and it's going to do its thing right here, and it's going to say excellent choice. Let me scroll down a little bit and bring this back on the page. Excellent choice. Matching the sales page creates a seamless and trustworthy experience for your customers. I'll use a dark theme with yellow, white, and blue accents to mirror the 5-minute fortune design. I will now construct your complete bonus page and promotional materials, including the powerful stack psychology blueprint you provided, and the bonuses have been renamed and framed to align with speed, shortcut, and status, which are triggers to maximize conversion. Here is your complete promotional package. Here is the HTML bonus code. You just simply copy that, and then you can go over, and I'm using an online HTML viewer here, and I'm putting that HTML code into this viewer so you can visualize what your completed bonus page is going to look like. And as you can see here, an exclusive bonus, AI bot stack to get for you when you pick up the 5-minute fortune. And what is the 5-minute fortune? It's going to give the key features and benefits here. Then it's going to include our exclusive bonus stack. Of course, Prompt Psyops is my brand, but understand that this is what you're building as you build your brand as an affiliate. And you see here now we have 4 bonuses. We have a speed trigger, a shortcut trigger, a status trigger, and bonus 4 is an over the top bonus that ties all this together. Here's how to claim these bonuses. Click here. That would be your affiliate link for the 5-minute fortune that is going to allow you to do what I've done right here today, yesterday, over the last 30 days, over the last month. Click the link in the description. It will take you over to this bonus page. You can watch the full review that I did here, the full deep dive, to understand exactly what you're going to get when you pick up the front end and the OTO1, or you get the Rapid Bonus Builder AI plus the 100 done for you products. That is going to unlock my bonus and give you exactly what you saw here in this video. Just click this green button and you're on your way to what I've done today, yesterday, over the last 30 days, and last month as an affiliate marketer. Link in the description. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for checking this one out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.